Hi there, it's Josh Colbeck here from Advanced Coupons, and today I want to take you through how to make a WooCommerce coupon that runs a BOGO deal, but it runs it over a whole product category, meaning the customer can come along and select any of the products from a product category, and then they get, as part of the deal, something else from that product category, and it doesn't matter what they select, it's totally up to the customer. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do that in the back end of my demo site here. And I'm using a plugin called Advanced Coupons, advancedcouponsplugin.com if you want to go and learn more about that. But it has all these extra little features down the side here, which get added to your regular coupon interface. And one of those features is called the BOGO deals section. So this is the feature we're going to be using today. Now I'm just going to name my coupon first. I'm going to call it BOGO Cat, just so it's easy to remember. And I'm going to go ahead and choose a product category. Now let's just have a quick look at the different categories here that are available on the front end. And we want to choose something that has a couple of items in it. So we'll go for the accessories category. So this accessories category has a few different products here, and we want the customer to be able to come along, select any of these accessories and be able to claim one of those accessories, let's say for 50% off as part of the get part of their BOGO deal. So we'll go back to the BOGO interface here. Let's go to product categories as the trigger type. So what we want to do is type in accessories, and we want the customer to be able to select one of these accessories, and they will get any other one of those accessories for quantity 1, and we want to do a percentage discount this time. So we will do a 50% discount on whatever it is that they're getting out of that category. Now the way this system works is it will always use the cheapest item in the cart as the one that it's giving for the discount. So if you, regardless of what you're doing, whether you're doing a percentage discount or you're overriding the price, whatever the cheapest item is out of the selection of items, it will give that always as the one in the get part of the deal. So there's another section here for additional settings, and there's a notice here which lets you describe to the customer what to do if they have triggered a BOGO deal but they haven't fully satisfied it. So imagine that somebody comes along and they've added something from this accessory category, they've added one of those items and they don't have anything else from the accessory category in their cart. If they wanted to be told that they're eligible to get 50% off something else from that category, you'll need to go ahead and put that into this notice here. So you can get another item from the accessories category for 50% off. And this button text one here will let you just give a quick link over to whatever page you want to send them to when they click on that notice. And we'll demonstrate this on the front end in a sec. So what we want to see is a button saying view accessories, and we want the URL for that page to go to the product category archive. Now that's pretty much it for our BOGO deal setup. It's nice and easy to actually operate this. I'm just going to publish this, and then we can go to the front end of the site and actually have a look. Okay, so I'm on the front end of the site here, and what we want to do is select one of our accessories from this accessories archive here. I'm just going to add a belt to the cart, which is, I think, second most expensive one there. And at the moment, I'm just going to add one of those items so that I trigger my BOGO deal. I don't want to actually satisfy the whole BOGO deal just yet. So our coupon was called BOGO Cat, and let's apply that. And here we see our message saying you can get another item from the accessories category for 50% off. And we've got this view accessories quick button link here. And that takes us back to the accessories page where I can go ahead and add something else to my cart. So if I add a cap, and because the cap was the one with the cheapest price, it will give that one as part of the get part of the deal. So we've got a 50% discount there, which is $8. And that's how the deal works. So I've now got that BOGO deal working, I can do that with any of the other products inside of the accessories category. And yeah, that's how you set up a WooCommerce BOGO coupon that works across a whole product category.